When you find yourself in sorrow, happiness, joy is that far away. I'm just being so you can see. It's less distance than that, believe me. You have two natures in you. You have kindness. You have clarity. This is your nature too. Kindness, clarity, compassion, joy, light is your nature too. And confusion, anger, frustration is also your nature. So don't get, like, oh, yeah, I like that. I like light is my nature. No, darkness is your nature too. But so is light. So there is a place in you. The place where that light is, where that joy is, where that clarity is, where that understanding is. And that, experiencing that place will bring you peace. That's what peace is. That's what peace is.